The future is digital. Will you be ready to lead it? Technology is transforming every industry. Now it's your time to build, innovate, and succeed. Choose BCA and MCA programs at Usha Martin University. Learn technology, build innovation, create your future, start your journey towards a successful IT and software career with UMU. BCA program eligibility and duration. Duration, 3 years. Eligibility, 10+2 in any stream with 50% marks with math. MCA program eligibility and duration. Duration, 2 years. Eligibility, BCA or BSc degree with 50% marks. Career opportunities after BCA and MCA. Software developer, software engineer, web developer, full stack developer, data analyst, cybersecurity executive. Why choose BCA and MCA at UMU? NAC A grade accredited university, UGC approved, industry-focused learning, expert faculty, modern tech labs, real-world projects, placement support. Turn your passion for technology into a successful career. Admissions open for 2026 to 27. Apply now at Usha Martin University. Talk to our experts today and start your tech journey.